Okay, so this is going to be a lazy video. I am tired. My body hurts. I need a massage. Do y'all really see the color of my hair? And people think I be lying. This is like my natural hair color. Look at it. It's so sandy brown. Look at them sandy roots. Everybody be like, that's not your hair color. Nah, boo, it's the hair color. See? But anyway, enough about the roots and the hair. It was supposed to be a twist out, but my hair didn't dry in time. I don't know why my kids are so loud in the background, but hey, when I decided to do this, I said this would be true to who I am. They're just yelling. They talk loud for no reason. But yeah. Okay, so today was draining. I started my other job. Needless to say, I basically saw my kids earlier for like 5 minutes. I got off, I came home, ran in, used the bathroom, grabbed some tights, my badge, and my work bag. And ran right back out the door to head to Amazon. So I'm tired. I don't have anything inspirational to say, but I decided to commit to this and I'm going to do it. I think that's why I'm not good at writing in a journal, because some days I just be like, bleh, I don't have anything to say. But it's good to kind of vent even if you don't have anything to say. So enjoy the sweet sounds of, I was just playing. But yeah. My crazy kids. But I guess I should at least attempt to go to bed because I have to get up and do this over again tomorrow with no alcohol. Oh, I need to fix my eyebrow. I look retarded. Well, not retarded, but I look crazy. Don't tell nobody. I tried to arch my eyebrows my own self. See how I messed it up? I took too much off, like right there. Right there. See that?